principal. So that is what the what we call agency accounting is there. There we have different question whether who is responsible to collect the dues. Is it the principal should collect or the agent should collect, and whether the agent is receiving a commission. And there is something called one word here, I don't know. Anyone knows this word? Debt career commission? You have never come across? In English, huh? Sorry. Let's say there's a transaction, $10,000 invoice. There is one principal, there is one agent, there is one customer. Agent sold to customer 10,000 worth of goods on credit. Now the question is, who should receive this 10,000 from customer? Agent should receive, or I mean the responsibility of collecting 10,000 is on whom? Receiving, who can receive, no problem. But who is carrying the responsibility? Suppose this man don't pay, in whose book the bad debts will come? Agent. Is that always the concept?
Or sometimes it's best in page over.
Yeah, never do it.
The agent is working on behalf of principal, the principal is the responsible.
Yeah, no,
Yes.
we just discussed agent job is just to work on behalf of the best interest of the principal, isn't it? And for that purpose, agent job is to find customers for principal. Agent job is not to find customers for them. Agent is not purchasing anything from them. There is no, in the books of agent, there is no double entry called purchase debit. We'll talk about the debit credits later. And the credit supplies, no, there is no such double entries.
Principal is the
So here, normal arrangement, principal is responsible for the ultimate collectability of any sales due from customer. But this wheel of collection mechanism will go like this only. The principal is in US, agent is sitting in Qatar. A principal may not know customer, and the practical mechanism is there. So in that purpose, principal assisting the agent with additional commission known as del credit commission. If the principal agreeing with the agent to that, then he will be responsible for any bad debts, but otherwise not. So what we call this, I'll discuss that little later. So now this is all about that. So we continue with this. Service activity, its function is to provide quantitative information, primarily financial in nature, about economic entities that is intended to be useful in making economic decisions. It's one of the phrase that is to define how the accounting really mean to. Now, to what extent the accounting should be accurate? How do you decide? Should 100% accurate should be there? Is there any leverage? I will not give the report to the manager until it is 100% accurate, or I will have to give the report. Now let's say a scenario like this. There are three different uses you are looking at. One is the CEO, one is the finance manager, one is the production engineer. Three different users are waiting for similar financial data or financial information. He wants, what is the financial information? Machine, production, capacity with the production details for the last 1 week. So you can calculate, you have all the data. Assume the cost accountant or the accountant has all the data, and the other problem is CEO is traveling on Friday. CEO is traveling on Friday, you are on Wednesday now. So now decision is to give to CEO, but your accumulation, you need some more time to arrive 100% calculation. And in this detail, does the CEO need all that information at that level? What CEO really needs? Now, a 10-page document or half a page document? Half a page document only he needs. And so the level of detail and the level of precision. And accuracy level, I would say anything above 80% is okay.
As long as it is true and fair.
Exactly. As long as it is true and fair, also we can discuss, but it is something that he can rely on.
To make informed decision.
Yes. But now, that's why CEO doesn't have time for all this. So then he appoints someone below him to verify those level of accuracy and the precision and the completeness. So there is something called completeness and there is something called accuracy. So when it comes to accounting, so we have to have both. But it's very difficult to manage all together. So to ensure high degree of accuracy, and then to minimize the possibility of the theft and fraud. That's very important.
Say it louder. That's very important.
Yeah, one of the major tasks of accounting is to protect the resources, economic resources of the business. When I say economic resources, that includes your assets, your what you call working capital, and your intangibles.
Fixed assets.
Yeah, when I say assets, that's all your fixed assets, your working capital, your intangibles, your brand, your reputation, everything. You are, as we said, you are agent. You are here to protect and safeguard the business well-being. Is that clear? So, one of the serious problems in the current world is that unfortunately or sadly, some of our members also partly involved in this exercise.
Theft and fraud.
And that's where the owners cannot really uncover how that is happening, because they are clever enough to do this. So we got to pay a very careful attention, and we all believe in different faiths. And that faith says that we should never be involved in stealing or anything. And accounting language also says the same. So
Ethics.
ethics, yes.